Meaning of domesticity.
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 Domesticity. Domesticity refers to the qualities associated with maintaining a home or household. This includes tasks such as cleaning, cooking, and caring for family members, as well as the attitudes and values that prioritize the importance of these activities. Domesticity is often associated with traditional gender roles and expectations, but can also encompass a broader sense of community and responsibility towards creating a safe, comfortable, and nurturing environment. Overall, domesticity reflects the efforts and values of those who take on the responsibilities of maintaining a home and family life.